Hi friends, welcome to Gotham Brothers the Unschoolers.
Today, let's see how to make a truck, and then we have some platform here where the truck can meet stuff here, this platform. We're going to see how to build all this stuff, and we have a road and a micro figure, and you don't need all that stuff.
Yep, the road and the micro figures aren't needed.
They're optional.
Yeah.
So now here comes our truck. Vroom, vroom, vroom. So now let me say the magic words. Abracadabra, alakazam. Now this truck will be pieces after I clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now we have everything in separate pieces with my magic clap, clap, clap. Okay. So let's start building the trailer truck. Oh yeah. Let's get these pieces in camera too. Yeah. So here we go. First, we want to take this.
Well, right now, excuse me, sorry for interrupting. Yes, right now we're making the chassis. This is the first piece.
Yeah.
Let's
It's
see.
a 2x8
It's a 2x8
plate.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you're right.
2x8. So let's keep our 2x8 here and all the other pieces aside.
Hey, we just organized them.
Never mind. The magic organized it.
Yeah, no magic isn't real life.
Yeah, never mind. But
That we'll need. Now we'll need.
a 2x4.
Yeah.
And you see,
Two
One
1
by
by 2s.
yeah. So we have our 2x8 here. You see, and then we have our 2x4 here.
It should be
s-
placed in the middle, right?
Yeah. So there should be 3 studs on this side, and it should be 1 stud on each side there. Next, we fill those studs with the 1x2. We've got our basic chassis. Next, let's bring in these guys.
There are more 1 by 2s.
Yeah. We've used 4 of them so far. So let's plug them in here on the very front of the truck, whichever side you want the front, since this is basically symmetrical before we plug this in.
Hey, you're doing it wrong. These aren't supposed to be there. This 1 by 4 is. Actually, both of them make the same size, so you can use anyway.
Yeah, but we're going to use these 2 on the front, since
Not
that
this one?
no, we are going to use these 2 on the front. And yeah, then we need our 1 by 4 and hey, you naughty wheel, go back.
Ah,
I'm not going to do that.
I get it.
Yeah, so now we've used our 1 by 4 on the back. Now it's time for these 2.
The wheels.
They're wheel holders.
Yeah,
They're 2 by 4 wheel holders for
Now-
this type of interior rim.
Now 2 wheels.
Okay. No, wheels go in the last step.
Do they?
Yes, always. Never noticed in the
minute.
Lego manuals?
Like this. You see this?
Yeah, you have to plug
attach
that on.
this side, not this side. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
and the other one. Now this rubber.
And so on, so on. But remember, I told you that wheels always go in the last step.
Okay.
Because we're in the garage. We have to make our car sit firmly on the floor,
We're
right?
not in a garage. We don't have a garage.
Never mind, but yeah. Okay, so here we have our base plate. No, the wheels come in the last step. I told you many times now.
Yeah. You mean in the absolute total last step?
Yes.
I thought the last step of the chassis.
No. So here we've got our chassis done. So
Now you need this. It's a holder. It has many studs.
it has 4 studs on the side and 4 studs on the top, and it has space for 4 studs on the bottom. So here,
It's a 1 by 4 holder.
Yeah.
I at least call it a holder. I don't exactly know the type name.
yeah, but okay. So that's our 1 by 4 holder, and we need 2 of these thingies with an open stud. 2 of these 1 by 1 round bright orange, transparent orange.
And yes, it's not necessary that they have an open stud.
Yeah, because that's basically going to be covered. Put one here on your, on your side, and put another there. See, those are going to be the turning indicators, and then this fits on nice and snug.
Now, time for the front.
Okay, so let's put this chassis aside, and we have our front. We're going to need very few pieces for the front since, well,
These are all the pieces you need for the front only. Only these. You need a grill,
two,
and one of these thingies with this inside.
the arch.
Yeah, the arch. It should be a 1x2 arch. No, not 1x2. 1x4 arch.
Yeah, and this is a slope, a 1x1 slope. It's 2 plates tall. It's as tall as if you stack 2
And
plates.
it's transparent.
Yeah.
This is a 2x4.
Yeah, and this is a 1x4.
No, 2x2.
Yeah, that's a 2x2. Sorry. Okay. So, but it will be great if you have all of this in the same color as you want the body. We couldn't find the white 2x2 in our box, so we just took this one. And then we place the grill here, and then the bumper.
We use it as a bumper. Though it's a Lego arch.
Never mind.
It's pretty
Then
easy to make.
the headlights. And let's bring this back. It can't drive, it's wheelless. Then plug it on the side. Okay? So now we need this grey 1x4. Color doesn't matter actually. Then place it here. So this is going to come on top of this. Next we'll need, for the next step, we'll need two
2x3s.
Yeah.
Two 2x3s.
And place them here. Next we'll need a 2x4 tile. Make sure it's 2x4. It might also be some other size since you can't actually see the studs on the top. You'll have to count these on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on.
You don't count these big ones. You have to count these on there. 1, 2, 3. Or there's another way. If you have another 2x4 which has studs on it, it's not a tile, then you can measure it with this and
Never mind. Just make sure it's a 2x4.
yeah.
Then you place this on here. Jeez.
Over there.
Yeah. Leave these 4 studs vacant for now.
Now we need this. Front.
This is a windshield.
It's not necessary. It should be a tinted glass.
Yeah, but we like tinted glass because it's cool. It looks cool. Yeah, so we have 2 studs on the top. This is 3 and this is 4. So this is a 3x4 windshield with just 2 studs on the top and a slope.
Sorry for interrupting. If you want, you can even use this kind of windshield.
It's way more common, but this is best since we're using a truck. It has less slope. Or building a truck, so we just plug that on there. Okay. So next, let's get out.
Which one? Yes, maybe we'll make the roof now.
No, the roof isn't here. Yeah, 2 1x2 bricks. In the truck, these are the only bricks. In the truck, the trailer is going to come later.
And you'd also need 2 1x1 slopes.
Just like we
those
used in the
run
headlights.
wheels.
Yeah, just like we used in the headlights. And we just plug them on like this.
But these ones shouldn't be transparent.
Yeah, otherwise it'll look funny.
Now for the roof.
Yeah, we'll put this assembly aside, this truck. I'll just give you a good look.
To make the roof.
Yeah, you need all these pieces.
It's optional of these lights on the top. If you want, you can attach them. If you don't,
Yeah, but that makes it look cool.
and you can also have a total plain roof with nothing on it.
Oh,
Sorry, it fell.
yeah, I got it.
Thanks.
So that's a 4x4 plate. Yeah, 4x4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now these are jumper plates.
Jumper
They're-
plates because they allow you to jump half a stud.
See, if you place it on, it can turn.
Because there's
But
only
if
one
you
stud
put-
connecting.
let's say two of
jumper plates side by side, then they can form a rigid bond, just like a regular plate.
and these are 1x2 jumper plates. This is a tile, a 1x4 tile.
Yeah. So we just place the jumper plates on one edge and the tiles on.
These are more 1x1 slopes, but these are red and they're transparent. That's them right there.
So now you've got a nice roof. And then here, put it here. Make sure if you're using the exact same pieces and in any other truck, make sure these are aligned.
Yes. And now
Otherwise
you
your
need
trailer will bang.
Yes, sorry for interrupting. You need this 2x4. Yeah,
2x4 circular piece.
It's not 2x4, it's 2x2.
Yeah, 2x2 circular piece and place it right there.
Not necessary is it circular or not.
Yeah.
This
Then
is a 1x1 circular piece.
that is necessary to be circular.
Yep.
Then we can sort of cheat the pieces to let this go in the middle of the studs.
Now for the tiles.
Wait. You're not supposed to assemble them like that. First, you take one tire and one wheel, assemble them like that. Now make 4 of those. Let's do this quickly.
Ooh. This one just fell. It's not you one.
We've got 3 wheels and 4. And now it's pretty straightforward. Plug them on.
Now we'll have to magically make the trailer part into pieces.
Or we could do it physically.
Yeah.
And now, bye-bye, trucky. Vroom.
It did to broom and fell.
Never mind, mother will deal with the trucky. So now let me just quickly dismantle this.
Where did this roof of the truck go? Found it. Truck's fixed.
Good. But keep it in a corner now. A corner far away from any other places where it could fall.
Yeah. Done.
I just quickly dismantled this.
This is hard. This is very hard.
I'll do it. 1, 2. Good. So now we've got everything there.
Then now I'll build this one.
We both build a truck, we both build a trailer.
So first you need
This is a 4x10.
Yeah, 4x10. Now which one again?
You need these things. These are two bricks tall. They are 1x4s and 2 bricks tall, and they have some sort of hollow scraping thing in the middle. Put them in the middle of one edge. In the middle of one edge. That's not the middle. This is the middle.
Yeah, you said the middle of one edge. You need 2 of those guys.
Place them on opposite.
Now these are 2 bricks tall. They're 1x2. No, 1x2s. Yeah, 1x2s. And place them here. You need 4 of them. Now a 1x4.
These are very nice.
And another 1x4.
Yeah, on that edge.
We couldn't find another black 1x4, so we use these.
2 1x2s.
Yeah, 1x2. Now, stop.
This roof, that's a 2x4. If you find another 2x10, that'll be good.
This is a 2x6.
Yeah, 4x6 and 4x4.
4x6.
Otherwise, this would be a very thin trailer.
Time for the bottom. Now you need a 2x4.
No, that's a separate module.
Yeah, 2x3. You need 2x3.
Brick, and this handle is optional. We just kept it because it looks more technical then.
Now
At least to
you
me.
need these tires.
Tires and last
Right, those are the wheels. You need these holders again.
to bring them together. Now let's quickly assemble the wheels. Wait! First we
No, no, no.
Okay. Here, the wheel.
Ah, this is hard.
Why did you just say yak?
I don't know. I don't know why did I just say
You're saying it like this is yucky food.
but it's not food. Mine.
Your Lego is definitely not food. Maybe for some babies, Lego looks like food.
Yes.
That's why some people swallow Legos.
Some babies. That's it. Now this. That's just here. That's it on the bottom.
Yes, yeah, just
You see this piece?
yeah. These holes in the middle.
The
They
big
are
ones. You can attach this. It's a trailer truck. It can turn. But if you attach it on the one that's behind, it becomes a lorry truck.
yeah, lorry truck. The trailer can turn. So it's a lorry and trailer truck.
Both.
Okay, so that's it for the trailer truck.